Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, Lady Robin, and today I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put some napkins in this vase with some flowers and gems, and you can use this as a centerpiece for your table. If you're doing a wedding or if you're doing a party, or you can even use this as a gift. All right, so I already wiped my vase down, so I have napkins, okay, and some gem wrap and some flowers. All right, let's get started, as well as my hot glue gun. All right. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to line these up just to see what they look like. Okay. All right, and see how we're going to have them. So I'll probably have them like that. And you can use this as, as you see fit. You can use different types of gem, okay? And I'm going to use this gem, all right? So I got my hot glue gun. And I'm going to glue the other part down. I just picked the beads up. Alright, so I added some glue. Alright, on there. Alright. Then we're going to add another piece. Okay, so you can see what it's gonna look like. Lift this up and be careful when you're using the hot glue gun. Alright, as it does get hot. Alright, and I'm gonna turn this around. Alright. Be right back. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. Then we're gonna add, crunch this up a little bit. Put this down in there. This down. right. Add flour. Then we're gonna add another flour. Right. Then we have some I guess gems that we're gonna add, some silver gems. All right, this is what it's looking like so far. All right, and then we're gonna add our sweet other gem. Okay. Add some hot glue to this. All right. Ta-da. This is what she looks like. Okay. Something sweet, simple. Sweet and simple. You can use this as your centerpiece. All right, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. All right? Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. All right? And again, be sure to subscribe to my channel.